Hello, my name is Firdaus, and today I will show you how to use interactive component in FIGMA. Create a frame with width 44 pixel and height 24 pixel. After that, create another frame with width 22 pixel and height 22 pixel. And make both border radius to be 20, for example. After that, change fill color in both of frame and drag the small frame inside the big frame and make sure there is a space 1 pixel between both of frame. Copy the our result and paste in the bottom of it and drag the small frame to the right side and change the color to the active state. For example, is our primary color. Select all and create component set. There is an option on the right side and rename it to be false for non-active state and true for active state. After that, connect it with prototype with click and connect it with smart animated transitions and do the same thing for the second one. After that, you can copy and paste it to your main screen. And you can active and non-activate because the logic was used before, true and false, and you can put it in your design and you can check the prototype and play button, and here are the results. Thanks for watching.